Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are all doing well. This is Somshekar Kalipalli. Welcome to Dharma Living YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain about pressure cooker. How the pressure cooker cooks the food at faster rate and in quick time. What is the science behind this? Those who have not subscribed to this channel, first subscribe to this channel for more interesting thermal concepts. Pressure cooker is based on the principle that boiling point of water. It increases with increasing pressure. First, let us know what is meant by boiling. What is meant by boiling point of water? What is meant by boiling? Boiling means the change of state of a substance from liquid to vapor by absorbing heat energy. By absorbing heat energy, the state of a substance changes from liquid to vapor. What is meant by boiling point of water? Boiling point of water means whenever the temperature of water attains 100 degrees Celsius, the water starts boiling and converts its state from water to steam. Corresponding pressure is 1 atmospheric pressure. At 1 atmospheric pressure, the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of water varies with variation of pressure. Boiling point of water will vary according to pressure. If pressure increases, boiling temperature also increases. If pressure decreases, boiling temperature of water also decreases. Observe the two diagrams. One is conventional cooking process, another one is pressure cooker. In conventional cooking process, rice plus water is cooking with the help of heat source. Whenever this food receives heat energy from the heat source, the water temperature reaches to the 100 degrees Celsius, that is the boiling point of water. Whenever water temperature reaches to the boiling point of water, steam will be formed. That steam will help to cook the food, and also the steam will escape from the vessel. As a result, there is no increase in pressure of the water. But in case of pressure cooker, by providing tight sealing, there is no escape of pressure to the outside. That pressure is to be built up inside the pressure cooker. Pressure will increase. If the pressure will increases, the boiling point of water also increases. Lussacs law, one of the application is pressure cooker. Lussacs law is derived from the ideal gas equation, that is equal to PV equal to nRT. In this ideal gas equation, P represents pressure, V represents volume of gas, N represents number of moles, R represents gas constant, T represents temperature. Here, V represents volume of gas is to be constant. This is applied to pressure cooker. Pressure cooker, there is a tight sealing, fixed volume. There is no change in volume. V constant, N constant, R also constant. There is no change in V, N and R. Remaining variables are pressure and temperature. If the pressure varies, temperature also varies. If the pressure rises, temperature rises. If the pressure of gas decreases, temperature also decreases. At 1 atmospheric pressure, the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. At 2 atmospheric pressure, boiling point of water is 120 degrees Celsius. In pressure cooker, by providing tight sealing, the pressure of the steam will increases up to 2 atmospheric pressures. As a result, boiling point of water also increases up to 120 degrees Celsius. What happens if boiling point of water is increased to 120 degrees Celsius inside the pressure cooker? The water temperature is increased to 120 degrees Celsius. The water can absorb heat, more heat energy water can absorb. As a result, cooking reactions are at faster rate. Cooking reactions are at faster rate. That's why food can be cooked in quick time. Pressure cooks allowed mountaineers to cook their food with easy. Reason is to mountaineers use pressure cooker. Reason is to at sea level atmospheric pressure boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. At mountains higher altitude pressure decreases. If the pressure decreases, the boiling point of water also decreases below 100 degrees Celsius. That's why mountaineers use pressure cookers to cook their food. That is the science behind the pressure cooker. Who is the inventor of pressure cooking concept? The pressure cooking concept was invented by Denis Papins in 1679. He was a French-born physicist. His invention is named for his honor. He is called as Papins digester. Initially, the Papins digester is used for cooking meat. If this video is worthy for you, click like button, share with your friends, subscribe to this channel for more interesting thermal concepts. Thank you.